Here in the U.S., holiday travel is surging. At the same time, coronavirus numbers skyrocket. More than 1 million people have passed through TSA airport checkpoints in each of the past 2 days, despite CDC guidance that we all stay home for Christmas. Errol Barnett is in Memphis, Tennessee, a state that now has the nation's highest number of new COVID cases per capita. Good morning, Errol.
Good morning. Well, consider this. COVID cases here in Tennessee are up 14% in the past week. And that's why there are warnings now that a holiday surge could completely break the healthcare system. The governor, in a special address Sunday night, did issue new statewide restrictions on gatherings, but fell short of enacting a mask mandate. And that's why doctors we're speaking with are fearful things are about to get worse.
I think we're playing a very dangerous game of chicken.
Dr. Stephen Threlkeld says now is crunch time for people in Tennessee, warning the COVID vaccine is a light of hope, but only if people keep wearing masks and socially distance.
There's no question that there will be people alive next holiday season if they do the things that we need to do this holiday season.
Tennessee is one of a handful of states without a statewide mask mandate. And despite his wife testing positive for COVID-19 over the weekend, Governor Bill Lee stopped short of issuing a statewide order on Sunday, instead issuing this call to action.
Masks work, and I want every Tennessean to wear one.
Heading into Christmas week, the spreading concern is twofold. Americans getting together for the holidays and the travel involved to get there.
United 591 emergency. Okay, male, 61 years old.
Concern became reality for passengers of United Flight 591. Many now concerned they were exposed to COVID after a man fell ill on their flight from Orlando to Los Angeles. This video obtained by TMZ shows passengers performing CPR on the man in the aisle. Tony Aldapa was one of the passengers who jumped into action.
There were three of us that were essentially we were just tag teaming, doing chest compressions.
The man later died at the hospital. United says all customers on that flight acknowledged they had not been diagnosed with COVID-19 in the past 2 weeks and did not have any symptoms. Aldapa says the man's wife told him otherwise.
She told me he was short of breath and she just wanted to get him home.
United says it's working with the CDC to determine if anyone was exposed to COVID-19. Days after the ordeal, Aldapa says he now has COVID symptoms. As of Saturday, he is not tested positive.
You know, it comes down to personal accountability. If you're traveling right now, you know the risks of traveling.
Now, AAA predicts more than 84 million Americans will travel between Wednesday and January 3rd. While that is a 30% decrease from this time last year, it is more than 30 million Americans additional from the folks who traveled during Thanksgiving just a few weeks ago. Vlad?
All right, Errol, thank you very much.